Ever wondered why kale is the darling of the health world? It's not just a trend, it's a revolution. Let's dive into the crispy, crunchy secrets of this green powerhouse. From salads to smoothies, kale is everywhere. Kale, ladies and gentlemen, is no ordinary leaf. It's packed with nutrients that your body craves. High in fiber, it's a natural detox for your body, sweeping away toxins like a gentle broom. Feel the cleanse. But that's not all. With more iron per calorie than beef, kale is a champion for your blood and muscles. Power up. Tired eyes. Kale's beta-carotene turns into vitamin A in your body, playing a crucial role in vision and skin health. See the difference? And for those who love numbers, kale is rich in vitamin K, essential for bone health and wound healing. Strong bones, healthy you. So, whether you're whipping up a salad or blending a smoothie, adding a little kale can turn your meal into a nutritional powerhouse. Delicious and nutritious. Embrace the leaf that loves you back, kale. Yeah, make it a staple in your diet and feel the difference.